beautiful sunny morning. It's one of the nicer mornings of 2018 so far. We're headed to Bedford Autodrome for something a little bit different. Me and my passengers here. Forgive them, they're not that talkative but have quite an explosive temper. We're headed to Bedford Autodrome today for something a little bit different. We're going for a track day, but we're going for a track day with my dad. My dad has supported me through my whole racing career. I owe a huge amount to him. Everything he sacrificed and put into me, I can't thank him enough. One small thing I can do is show him my workplace. When I was young, I went to work with him for the day. Now it's the opposite way around. It's bring your dad to work day. So yeah, he's only been out on circuit a couple of times, mainly with me driving him. He drove Silverstone in this car a little bit early part of last year. So yeah, now today is just a full day focused on him, so he can enjoy the car, enjoy driving on track, and hopefully learn something and take something away. So we'll document the day and yeah, catch up when we get to the circuit. By everyone that's out there, move over at your own accord. Move over in your own time. So don't feel like you've got to jump out of someone's way. That's a big thing, because you end up spending more time looking in your mirror than you do actually enjoying the track. So that's one thing I really stress. It's quite tough to see on this pit lane as well, so have a good old look. I'll be giving you a hand as well. So everyone here, nice and tight, third gear, just before the yellow cone in. Don't know why the orange cone's there. The run out here, there's a drain here, so just straddle the drain, get anyone here in rather than yeah, make it harder earlier on in the corner. Coming in a bit hot towards the turning point. This is the learning point. Look towards the orange cone. Here, good. Hold it there. From the yellow cone, accelerate the car. Over towards the right hand side. Take a turn. Grab a brake in the straight line. Turn and turn in. Wake up. Two wheels over the bottom line. Wait again. Grab the brake in the straight line here. Again, coming too far. Brake quite a little bit closer and brake harder. Too hard to brake. Get down those brakes, down those brakes, down those brakes. Even though it's a little bit too far turning point, you just slow the car down a bit more. Over towards the left hand side, follow the into the road. Look this, follow the cone, follow the elbow. Brake and turn. Better! Mark, better! Go! Right, back off the tag here, we'll be ready. So, give it half a lap forward. Must have done some more pace of that.
Yes, that feels more like driving.
Yes.
I can't find the
Here's the tricky one. There's codes everywhere, isn't there? Good, yeah, that just came across as so much more natural and instinctive.
Yeah, that was mechanical. Every more time to do it.
It's got about 70 brake horsepower, so it's got a big challenge in summer. Right, if we go down to your car, we'll put some fuel in it. So slow it down, go to the right hand side again. That's it, and then we'll go down to your car. What is the time? 11:30. So we've got an hour still, so it should be quite spot on. So how's your morning been?
Excellent. Really good fun.
Good, good. He listens well, which is very good. I wasn't expecting that, I must admit. And looking at the data, you're pretty thereabouts, aren't you? It must be where I get it from, I think. Just a little bit more seat time and fine tuning. But the bases are there. Now we're going out for the afternoon to go really fast. And this time?
Just, again, it's more time. Doing it properly in the first place.
Yeah.
That's all really, isn't it? And then just definitely felt the car moving around more.
Yeah.
Comfortably. The transition, and a couple of times it started doing that.
Sort of skipping over the bumps.
Yeah, and it feels right. And it's the transition from going around the corner like that to, and you think actually yes, it's just doing it.
The front kind of bobbles a little bit, doesn't it? Like when you really lean on it, I think it's quite light, so it just bobbles over the bumps a tad.
But it's moving. It's not like slip or anything. It's just skipping across the top, and you can see that there's somewhere to go to.
Yeah.
You can go with it.
That's exactly it. Yeah.
And then, I mean, obviously, if it is too much, lifting slightly is all right. Lifting off is bad news.
Yes.
Lifting slightly, you just take the heat out of it.
Tucks it.
Sit it.
Tucks it in. Good.
I'm going to go for a wee. And I can't cool down. That was good. Definitely good. I enjoyed that a lot.
Good. We'd like to hear.
There's definitely things you concentrate when you think, really? Or, yeah, the fact that that some of those corners are vague, aren't they? So it's more difficult to get what you're aiming at. That's more interesting than just aim at that point, turn it, stop it, turn it.
Is it like into the unknown? Isn't that? Oh, we got this right! Oh, yeah, I did! Come on!
Yes, exactly. It's good.
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 We're getting ready for our last run of the day. It's been a mega day so far. The track's now clear. It's that golden hour between 4 and 5 o'clock where everyone's either broken, run out of fuel and tyres, or gone home. So we're going to make the most of this clear track. Ready for this?
I'm ready to go. You can tell when you've got it wrong, when it's too late.
Start to roll off brakes and hard on the gas now. Go, go, go. Use steering brake. Yeah. Now you're having to use it. What did you think of your first track day then?
Very good indeed.
I think the window says it all, really.
Yes, there's a lot of heat in here now.
Lots of concentration.
Very good. Thank you very much for my lovely present.
No worries. Thank you. Good fun. Boy done good, as he would say to me.
Good teacher.
Sure, say so. It's better than when me and Mum used to drive, because we used to get into arguments when I was learning to drive.
Yes.
We've not fallen out yet anyway, so that's good.
Very good.
Good effort.